Hi again, we're going to do a really quick video now, clearing away any hooks in your energy from other people. And that's all we're doing, just clearing the hooks away from the energy that other people's energy has in yours. We don't want them. And also reclaiming the hooks that you've got in other people's energy. We don't want that either. We want our energy 100%. So let's set your intention to receive the benefits and get stuck in as we normally do. Wonderful. Great to see you again. Great to have you here. So where are we looking at for hooks and people's energy? We're looking at 40 positive and 100 negative. So some of you got hooks on. And we're looking at light status, level of consciousness. So we're going to ask the teams to clear that, to bring it up to 100% positive, 0 and negative, and from light status level all the way up to radiant love, new paradigm level of consciousness, removing away any hooks in the energy, any hooks that other people have in your energy, any hooks that you have in anybody else's energy, being passed through the light, healed, transformed, transmuted by love, and then returned to you and returned to everybody else. But it must be transformed with light. It's important it goes through that transformation of light to be transmuted into love before being returned. No matter what people have sent to you, no matter what their thoughts are, no matter what forms those thoughts take, no matter what the energy is, no matter what the hooks are, we want to transmute it into love. So that we are healed, and then whoever's got the hooks into you, that they can heal as well, so that they don't go sending their energy out. So clearing away all those hooks in your energy. I was hoping it was going to be like a minute, this one, but it's going on a bit longer. Hopefully you can feel the difference as your energy is restored. Still clearing away. That's better. Okay. Is there anything else to clear to do with the hooks and the energy? Yes, there is something there. We've got chart 6A, so that's interesting. I didn't expect that. And it's master programs. Inside left, abuse. Inside left, betrayal. Anything else? No? Do they have past life and ancestral roots? Yeah, let's clear all abuse and betrayals, master programs, and discordant energy, all levels of consciousness on chart 3 from you. Nobody's energy can attach to yours unless you're not operating completely from your own power in the first place. So if you are running master programs and discordant energy like abuse, then it's going to be easier to be penetrated in your energy with other people's hooks. I'm sending you enormous love, by the way, each and every one of you that's watching this. Lots and lots of love to you. Lots of love. Right, okay, that's better. Is there anything else that needs clearing with the hooks? Yeah, we have 6B, which is blocks to positive expression. So what blocks are you running out there? Inside right. Blocks to abundance. That's no good, is it? Let's clear all those blocks to abundance at all levels of consciousness. Let's get that cleared for you. We don't want that. We want abundant energy. So some of you who are particularly sensitive should feel this as it's clearing. It's turned out to be a little bit longer than I anticipated, but you never know what's going to come up, so you just have to go with it. Still clearing away. Okay, anything else? No, let's just do a quick mop up then of all hooks, clearing away all hooks and the energy. Let's restore that love, that pure love in each of our cellular DNA for all of our highest good. Ah, such a change in energy I can feel with this. Such a beautiful feeling coming in with this. Beautiful feeling. Beautiful love. And I pray that every single one of you that's watching this is filled with the most beautiful love in each of your cellular DNA for your highest good. Oh, such a lovely, honestly, it's such, I wish you could, some of you will feel it, such a beautiful energy. I'm getting 6B again, so I've got something else that's come up again, another block to positive expression. Inside right, block 2 awareness coming up. So let's just clear all blocks 2 awareness from all of you as well. So much love coming through as I'm clearing this. And I want to sing that song, You're All Beautiful People. I can't remember who did that. Ah, God, I just feel I've got a room full of angelic forces here. Clearing away those blocks to awareness. There, that's better. Okay, and anything else? No? Anything else? Another mop up or anything? No, all done? Are we? Yeah, okay. So, what are we running at now? For hooks, 100 positive. It's 10% negative, so I feel there is something still running there. What is it then, please? We're going to 6A. We've got another master program. Well, for what should have been a 30-second to 1 minute video has turned into a little bit longer. You just never know. Inside right. What have we got? Doom. Master programs. Is it a master program? Yeah, master program of doom. And what else? Inside right and failure. Okay, and do they have past life and ancestral roots? Let's just clear all doom and failure. Master programs and discordant energy of doom and failure across all levels of consciousness on chart 3, clearing from all other lifetimes. All other lifetimes, whether past life, future life, other dimensional, parallel lifetimes, ancestral lifetimes, just clearing them away this lifetime for everybody that's on this. Well, so much for it being a quickie video. But those that know me know I like to dot the I's and cross the T's, so I'm normally pretty thorough anyway. Oh, so much love coming through this clearing for you. I wish you could feel it. Hopefully you can. Some of you will feel it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Anything else on here? Doesn't look like it. Is there anything else? No. Do we need to do another mop up or anything? Is there something coming out that just looks like I'm drawn to blocks to positive expression again? Just check. Is there any interference? Let's just clear all interference away. Sometimes that happens. Clearing all interference away. Okay. So is there anything on here? Outside left. Blocks to vitality. Outside left. Blocks to responsibility. So let's just clear those blocks away to vitality and responsibility. Again, if you're filled with vital life force energy, then you're going to have a strong aura, and things won't penetrate your energy so easily. Right, are we done there? It looks like it. Anything else? Anything else? So what are we running at now? 100 positive. And you see, this is why we check 0 negative now. This is why we always check. So occasionally this happens. That's better. And they're a radiant love. So there you go. And I usually get an intuitive feel when something is it doesn't feel quite complete, but that feels a lot better. I feel there's a lot more there. Maybe we'll do another hooks too later on, but anyway, I hope that helps you. That was a little bit longer than anticipated, but sending you enormous love as always. Bye everyone.